a windy and cold April morning in the new drought-resistant front yard. Woo! It's cold. Today is the day that I get my GoPro10. There we go, a little light on my face. I ordered the whole package. They've got a new package, and I ordered the whole thing. One of my friends and fellow YouTube vlogger, TripNWithRed, bought it, did a little product review on it, and it looked really good to me. So I bought it. I have now since seen many product reviews on YouTube, but hers was the first one that I actually saw. So that should be coming in today. So when I get home, I will open that up and take a look at it, and then in the next few days I'll just do a little review on it. Excited. Well, I was correct. While I was at work, I got an alert in my email, or actually a text, that my package was delivered. Nice thing about having an interior hallway in the apartment is that they can come in, they can leave it in the front, and I don't worry about package thieves. So this is my new GoPro. I've been wanting to get the 10 since it came out, and I've just been kind of holding off. But they came out with this new a whole package, and I decided, why not? So this is all in what I paid for everything. So first, let's see, we got a little package of something here. Oh, this is a new SD card. Let's see what we got. So yeah, this is the Volta battery grip tripod remote. So that's kind of cool. I went ahead and got the media. Oh, I got the light. See, I'll never use this, but it was part of the package. I think it added another 40 bucks, but it was part of the package, so I got the light mod. I don't need it. I'll probably never use it. What the heck? This I have always thought might be kind of nice to have. This is the media mod. This is something that I've always thought that I might really get some use out of. So that's pretty cool. So with these two things, this I really thought that I could get some good use out of. And then, of course, I wanted a 10. That is the initial package opening. Unboxing. So now I'm going to open up all of these boxes. I have my Nikon with a 35mm prime running over here. I'm now going to turn on the GoPro10 for this little angle here. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to turn on the GoPro 9. What is it? We're doing a 3-camera setup this time in my kitchen. So I'll do a quick look at the light mod. As I said, this is something that I probably will never use. I don't really see much of an advantage to this. But it was part of the package, and I didn't want to let's hold for a second here. I'm gonna go get a little X-Acto knife. And I'm back. So as I was saying, I didn't want to mess with the package deal by subtracting or something in it. I think it was 30 bucks. Something like that. So it looks like we got a little mount right there. Oh, I got giant packaging for this tiny little thing. Okay, so keep this stuff, of course, and here's the little light. Ah, that's what this is. Look at that, very nice. With the typical GoPro mount, and of course a little plastic diffuser. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, I'm okay with that. Let's open up the 10. So as I said before, it's my first even number one. I don't know why. And I don't know why that's so interesting to me, but it is. The 3, which I no longer have, I don't know what I did with it. I'll bet it's in a drawer or a box or something around the place, but I still use, I still have the 5, and then of course the 7 and the 9. So I seem to get every other version. But now I have the 10, which I have wanted for a while. And as you can see, it comes in this nice little case, which I will never use. There we go. There's there's all the stuff. So I will open up all this stuff and fiddle with it and all that off camera. That little tab, just feel it off, like. All right, so here's the 10. Very nice. I don't need to do a full review on this thing. There's 1,000 of them on the internet. Like I say, I'll never use this this case when I carry this around. carry it around in my pocket. Which leads me to this. Now, I have always had the Joby tripod, which I find to be extremely versatile, very helpful. I love that thing. I use it a lot. But one thing that really did excite me about this Volta is that I like the remote aspect, and I really like the, I guess there's an extra battery in there. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so there it is. Another one of these. See, I don't know why I worry about ripping it, because I'm gonna toss this out. I probably will never use this, and I'll never see that again either. Okay. Now, here is my reservation about this. Now, I don't need to do a full product review because there's so many of them on YouTube. Believe me, if I thought it would help my channel, maybe get a few more subscribers, a few more likes, I'd do it. But I don't know that will make really any difference. So I'm not going to do a full review of this. I'll tell you, for my use, here's my concern, is that I like to travel with just this. Maybe I'll add the cage. I've got the cage on my 9 right now. Sometimes it'll just be that. That reminds me to keep my hands off the mic. But I like to just slip this in my pocket. It's this small. It's in my pocket. I'm not walking around, with this and making a big deal out of it. But this will do what it's set out to do, and that is it will keep my hands away from the mic. There's been many times when I cover the mic as I hold it. But especially with the stabilization and all that, I really, this is what I'm comfortable with. So I'm a little worried. I mean, it looks like it'll fit in my pocket okay, but it's pretty bulky. But the primary thing is, it's got these, it has the battery in it. So we'll see in practicality how it works for me. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it, and it was worthwhile as $100 and something above. But considering that I wanted the 10 and I wanted this media mod, I think all in all, it was well worth it. So, oh, and this, yeah, I've been, let's get a little close up of this. Now, the person who I first saw this, my friend and fellow blogger, TripNWithRed, she pointed out that this, that to open up the GoPro is difficult for someone who has long fingernails, a woman with long fingernails. It's really difficult. Heck, it's really difficult for me. And so just this, I think, boy, this is going to be great. So I will replace this. This just seems like a great idea. I might see if these things are available separately and put one on my 10 up here. This just looks like a really, really good idea. This is great. So let's go to the media mod, something that I've been considering getting anyway. So if for nothing else, to get the 10 and the media mod, two things that I really wanted. And then add this battery pack tripod, camera holder thingy. That was worth what I paid for it, for the whole thing, and that I got the light is, a little extra. And okay. Because this is what I'm really, really fascinated by. Let's just get rid of that. These warranties and the user guide. Getting quite a collection here, and I probably have 3 or 4 of them in my closet anyway. Yeah, so this I have been really interested in because of the microphone. I will step out probably tomorrow and do a little test. But this just having the windscreen and the microphone, I think it's just gonna be. This is gonna be great. So there we go. That's the unboxing of all the interesting new toys. The media mod with the windscreen and then microphone. My new Volta. Is that what it is? Yeah, Volta. My new 10 and all the little accessories. I've never used one of these before. So there we go. There's everything. I will get everything set up, and maybe tomorrow or the next day or so, I might go do a little comparison. But once again, I'm not sure that really makes any difference, because there's so many of them out there, and there's so many of them that are really slick and very good. I think people would get more use out of watching those than mine, and I have such a tiny little subscriber base. Hint, hint, hint. Subscribe. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this. I'm glad that I got it. Once again, it cost me about this much. Well worth it, I think. And this will be my next setup for either my dispatches from Hollywood and for my September Orlando trip. So for now, thank you for watching. Solo Traveler, out. Out. This is ridiculous.
Sorry when I